Hi friends, welcome to another free card kit video on my blog and YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this is a tutorial for customers who shop with me this month. For details on how to get this free card kit and written tutorial, please click the link below. If you are not one of my customers, please enjoy this video as an inspirational tutorial. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring the Happiest of Days stamp set. We all need a few birthday cards in our stash, right? So this is what you're going to get in your kit, except it's going to be multiplied by 2. I just have one out here. I am stamping with fresh fig and just the birthday wishes sentiment, and I have 2 markers, powder pink and pear pizzazz. Now if you don't have this stamp set, you can substitute it with any other stamp that you have that would go nicely in this little whisper white banner. And if you don't have this stamp set, you might want to consider purchasing it so that your card will look exactly like the one I am making right now. I'm just coloring in the leaves. So here's a little bit of fast fuse on the end or the back side of that whisper white, and I'm adhering it to the fresh fig strip. Now I have 5 little pieces of Myths and Magic designer series paper, and I am fishtailing the ends. If you actually have a punch that does this for you, go right ahead. I have scissors, so I chose not to purchase the punch, but I see projects being made with it, and you know what, I really probably could use that little punch. All right, so I have put a piece of fast fuse on the back of that fresh fig, and now I've just folded the card base, and I'm just sort of gauging where I want to put my little banners or flags or embellishments, really. And then I'm just going to stick them to the back of the card. Really simple layout, but you do get a lot of pop of color, and it does kind of have that festive feel. And I really liked these colors with the smoky slate card base that I've included in your kit. So then you're just going to put a little strip of adhesive and attach that to the card base, the smoky slate card base, and that's it. You get 2 of them. So thanks so much for shopping with me, and I'll see you again next month. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.